The National Forest Management Act of 1976 was an amendment to the Forest and Rangeland Renewable Resources Planning Act of 1974. This act in 1974 originally called for long-range planning by the U.S. Forestry Service to calculate the extent of resources provided by the forest and figure out a sustainable way to harvest these renewable products, mostly timber, in the most sustainable way possible. This act was the first step in creating a rudimentary plan to protect the national forest from overharvesting and massive deforestation. However, the National Forest Management Act expanded upon this first act by requiring each national forest to create and implement a resource management plan. These management plans were specifically tailored to each unique ecological area and expanded responsibility to protect wildlife, water quality, and recreation. These forests need protecting for a variety of reasons. These are areas of vital habitat that support high amounts of plant and animal biodiversity. Trees are vital in removing air pollution and sequestering significant amounts of carbon, and about 80% of our drinking water originates from these forests. Wild pollinators also reside in the forests and play a crucial role in our agricultural system. And forest-based recreation not only benefits individuals, but activities provide economic strength to the surrounding rural communities. And it's predicted that the cost of a single adult tree equates to about $73 in air conditioning, $75 worth of erosion control, and $75 worth of wildlife shelter per year. Some strengths of the act is that it ensures that the public is actively involved in forest planning and management, and it provides for logging but recognizes that in the process, the natural quality of the soil, water, and air must not be damaged, and it provides protection for bodies of water in these forests as well, including streams, lakes, wetlands, and any other places that provide crucial habitat for fish and aquatic life. The Act is based on principles of ecological, economic, and social sustainability, and the U.S. Forest Service is required to actively engage the state and local and public and tribal partners as well. The Act also requires integration of current science in the planning process and establish the Reforestation Trust Fund, which finances reforestation efforts in these national forest lands. However, some difficulties come about because logging is a vital industry in our country right now, and it plays an essential role in where the U.S. stands in the world economy. In addition, these areas contain a variety of rock and mineral deposits, making it really valuable for the mining industry, and exploitation of these areas would be a huge economic stimulus. Extraction of the resources found in these forests would yield billions and billions of dollars per year. And a lot of Republicans also believe that thinning the forests of the timber would reduce the frequency of forest fires, which are extremely expensive to control. So conflicting views on ideology, management, conservation often cause disagreements between the two parties.